we are at Lake Louise in Banff National Park, Alberta, Canada. The lake is frozen solid, so we can walk all the way over there and back. People are ice skating and playing hockey, and it's just beautiful. Look at it. And a little surprise that we did yesterday. We got married. That got me in the face.
You're really bad at this.
You are?
You are.
No! Okay, stop. It's really cold.
Went down your shirt?
I went down the back.
It's so hard to push.
Oh, miss. Ah! Ooh!
My boo-boos are wet.
How was that?
Alright, so for everyone that doesn't know, Lake Louise is famous for being like this turquoise blue, and it is fed by glaciers here in Banff National Park. This is one of the waterfalls that actually feeds the lake that Melissa and I just climbed up.
Very, very steep. You can't even like see it. And it's so slippery. I have no grips on my shoes.
We
Literally.
are decidedly unprepared for this hike in my leather shoes and her runners, but well worth it.
We did it.
Oh god, I can't even hold on. It's slick. What's that? Put your tongue on it? Yeah. I'm Alyssa Sieben and this is Jackass. The trick is to tie your coat under your butt, so you have your own magic carpet.
I'm gonna go. Oh, careful, ice chunk.
Actually, I think this will work.
Past the ice chunk.
I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah, you gotta get out of the ice chunk thing. Oh dear.
Yeah, zipping it's actually a pretty good idea.
Double stick it.
That's what I'm banking on. Go ahead.
My brake. Oh my god, this ice chunk's gonna slice my butt.
Let's try this. Yeah, I see that. Just commit. Put up your left arm. Come on. You're almost there. Left arm. Yeah. Ooh. That was actually pretty fun.
I'm a snake. I don't want to slide down anymore. Oh god. Oh my butt. We just hiked up the frozen waterfall and slid down, as you can see, wearing Matt's coat. Because I slid down on my butt. He had this around his waist, so he got a little bit of padding and some warmth. I slid down on my butt, and I'm wearing like leggings. My butt hurts so much from the cold. It's painful. And then my knits are just like, just covered. They're not even like warm anymore. My feet are freezing because of what I'm wearing. And same with Matt's. Like, we did not come in the proper footwear, but we slid down, we did it, we're freezing, and now we're on our way back. What are you doing?
Start recording?
Yeah.
There's snow everywhere. Why?
Because do some yoga.
Warrior pose.
Miss. Miss. Gotcha. Gotcha.